How to enable or disable charging sounds on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, you can tap this. In sounds and vibration, okay, below, you can see here the advanced option. Okay, you can tap this. Here in advanced option, you can see here the charging sounds. And the charging sounds is off. So if you want to enable the charging sounds on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled the charging sounds. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. But I decide to enable the charging sound of my Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.